a good relationship with the United States?
Becky, I had perfectly good relationship with the Trump administration. But look, my point is very simple. 220 million people of Pakistan elected me. My first responsibility is to the people of Pakistan. My responsibility is for the well-being. We have 50 million people living below the poverty line. So when Russia offers us 30% discount on oil and 30% discount on wheat imports, India does the same. India is part of the Quad, part of the strategic alliance with the US. India imports oil from the US, but for some reason, this was taken against me, as if I was being anti-US or anti-American. I am not. I have never been anti-American. I have never been anti any country. I have always believed that if I was elected by my people, their interests are paramount. I mean, if we have 50 million people below the poverty line, should I not be worrying in times of international inflation? Should I not be worrying about them? That doesn't make me anti-US.
You repeatedly insisted, and you continue to do so, that a US conspiracy was hatched against you due to what you say is your independent foreign policy, not least towards Ukraine. The US has denied that. What evidence do you have to support this claim, sir?
On the 7th of March, Becky, Under Secretary of State in the US, who's responsible for South Asia, he calls our ambassador, a meeting between our ambassador in Washington. He tells our ambassador, in an official meeting, there are note takers on both sides. He tells the ambassador that unless you get rid of your Prime Minister Imran Khan